Hello everyone, today I am here with a sabzi recipe made with a seasonal vegetable which is pine gourd or teasel gourd. It is known by different names in different languages. It is known as Kantola in Hindi. Kantola is available only during monsoons. The outer surface of Kantola is covered with tiny soft spines. Appearance wise it looks somewhat similar to bitter gourd and has a subtle bitter taste. Nature provides certain foods during specific seasons to align with our nutritional needs, and hence it is good to incorporate these foods in our diet. When you cut open a kantola, the flesh is white in color with tiny seeds which are also edible. The tender, unripe kantolas have soft seeds, so they can be easily chopped along with the seeds and they can be consumed with seeds. But when the kantolas mature or become ripe, the seeds become hard and tough. So these seeds need to be discarded. A mature kantola looks like this. The seeds are hard and tough. So we'll discard the seeds and then chop the kantola. I have taken 300 grams of kantola here. Chop the kantolas and keep them aside. Chop 3 large onions. Heat 3 tablespoon oil. I am adding 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, a pinch of asafoetida, 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic. Saute the garlic on low heat till it loses its raw smell and turns golden in color. Now add 2 chopped green chilies. Add the chopped onions. Add a pinch of salt and saute the onions till they turn golden brown in color. The onions have become soft and have changed color. Now we will add the chopped kantolas. Mix everything well. Add a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Cover and cook for few minutes till the kantolas are soft and have cooked. Now add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala and 3/4 teaspoon of amchur. Mix everything well. Cook on low heat for few minutes. Check the salt in case you need more salt. You can add salt at this stage. Kantola sabzi is ready to be served. You can serve it with chapatis or as a side dish with dal and rice. In case you like the video, please hit the like button, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.